Every year I get in the kitchen to make my immune boosting chicken soup, and it truly is the coziest thing I've ever eaten. So let me show you how to make it. Veggies, ginger, garlic, and tons of spices, including immune boosting turmeric, really pull together the base of this soup. You can add quinoa or rice, but it boils right in the pot. And then of course I add tons of kale along with a can of coconut milk, making this soup dairy-free while keeping a luscious and creamy texture. A perfect recipe to keep your family healthy and nourished this season. That is like a warm hug in a bowl, so you need to try this.